Street food around the world. Imagine walking through a bustling street, the air filled with enticing aromas, vibrant colors dancing before your eyes, and the sounds of sizzling pans mingling with the laughter of people enjoying their meals. Street food is not just a meal, it is a cultural experience, a journey of flavors that connects us to the heart of a city. Today, we invite you to embark on a global food adventure as we explore 10 iconic street foods worldwide, each telling a unique story of its origins and local favorites. Number 1. Tacos, Mexico. Our culinary journey begins in Mexico, where the humble taco reigns supreme. These delightful parcels of flavor consist of a corn or flour tortilla filled with various ingredients, from spicy carne asada to fresh fish, topped with zesty salsa and garnished with onions and cilantro. Tacos are a staple of Mexican street food culture, embodying the spirit of sharing and community. Whether enjoyed from a food cart in the bustling streets of Mexico City or at a beachside stand in Tulum, tacos offer a taste of local tradition in every bite. Number 2. Banh mi, Vietnam. Next, we travel to Vietnam, where the banh mi sandwich has captured the hearts and appetites of food lovers worldwide. This French-Vietnamese fusion features a crispy baguette filled with savory meats, pickled vegetables, fresh herbs, and a spread of mayonnaise or chili sauce. A testament to Vietnam's colonial history, the banh mi is a perfect example of culinary adaptation, showcasing how diverse influences can come together to create something truly extraordinary. Enjoyed as a quick lunch or a late-night snack, the banh mi is a beloved staple on the streets of Ho Chi Minh City. Number 3. Pani Puri, India. Our journey now takes us to India, where the vibrant and diverse street food scene offers countless delights. One iconic dish that stands out is Pani Puri. These delightful hollow crisps are filled with a mixture of spiced water, tamarind chutney, and a medley of potatoes and chickpeas. Served in a small bowl or on a platter, these bite-sized morsels provide a burst of flavor and texture that is simply unforgettable. Pani Puri is not just a snack, it is a celebration of flavors, often enjoyed during gatherings and festivities, making it a true favorite among locals. Number 4. Jerk chicken, Jamaica. From India, we fly across the globe to Jamaica, where the smoky, spicy delight of jerk chicken is a culinary emblem of the island's rich heritage. Traditionally marinated in a blend of allspice, thyme, and Scotch bonnet peppers, jerk chicken is grilled to perfection, infusing the meat with a tantalizing flavor that embodies the essence of Caribbean cuisine. Found at roadside shacks and bustling markets, this street food favorite is often served with rice and peas or festival, ensuring a nourishing and satisfying meal that locals savor daily. Number 5. Crepes, France. Next, we find ourselves in France, where the art of crepe making has become a cherished tradition. These thin, delicate pancakes can be served sweet or savory, filled with an array of delicious ingredients like Nutella, strawberries, ham, or cheese. Found in the charming streets of Paris or at bustling markets throughout the country, crepes are a versatile street food that appeals to all palates. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack or a leisurely meal, crepes offer a taste of French culinary finesse that is simply irresistible. Number 6. Satay, Indonesia. Continuing our journey, we arrive in Indonesia, where satay reigns as a popular street food choice. These skewers of marinated meat grilled to perfection and served with a rich peanut sauce, embody the flavors of Southeast Asia. Satay is often accompanied by a side of rice or cucumber and is enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. Whether sampled at a night market in Jakarta or a beachside stall in Bali, satay is a delightful representation of Indonesia's vibrant culinary landscape. Number 7. Arepas, Venezuela. In Venezuela, we discover the beloved arepa, a cornmeal cake that has become a staple of the country's street food scene. These versatile creations can be grilled, baked, or fried, and are filled with a variety of ingredients such as cheese, avocado, meat, or beans. Arepas are not just a meal but a symbol of Venezuelan culture, often enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Found in the hands of street vendors and at family gatherings alike, arepas are a testament to the simplicity and richness of Venezuelan cuisine. Number 8. Kimbap, South Korea. Our culinary adventure now takes us to South Korea, where kimbap has emerged as a beloved street food. Often referred to as Korean sushi, kimbap consists of rice and various fillings such as pickled vegetables, meat, and eggs, all rolled in a sheet of seaweed. This portable dish is a favorite for picnics and outdoor gatherings, reflecting the communal spirit of Korean culture. Whether enjoyed on the streets of Seoul or at a local park, kimbap is a delightful and healthy option that showcases the flavors of Korea. Number 9. Falafel, Middle East. In the heart of the Middle East, we find falafel, a dish that has transcended borders to become a global favorite. Made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, these deep-fried balls are often served in pita bread with fresh vegetables and tahini sauce. Falafel is not just a street food, it is a symbol of cultural pride, often enjoyed during gatherings and celebrations. Available at street stalls from Cairo to Tel Aviv, falafel offers a rich and satisfying taste that is both vegetarian-friendly and incredibly delicious. Number 10. Churros, Spain. Our final stop takes us to Spain, where churros have become an iconic street food beloved by many. These deep-fried pastries, often coated in sugar and served with a cup of thick hot chocolate for dipping, are a popular choice for breakfast or an afternoon snack. The joy of indulging in freshly made churros while strolling through the vibrant streets of Madrid or Barcelona is an experience that captures the essence of Spanish culture. A simple pleasure, churros are a delightful conclusion to our global food adventure. As we conclude our journey through 10 iconic street foods from around the world, we hope you have been inspired to explore the vibrant culinary landscapes that each culture has to offer. Street food is more than just a meal, it is a window into the traditions and stories of the people who create them. So, whether you're traveling the globe or exploring your local food scene, remember to savor every bite and celebrate the flavors that connect us all. Thank you for joining us on this global food adventure, and until next time, happy eating!